So that intro I just played was played using exclusively open-voiced triads. So let's take a look at what open-voiced triads are. So let's take an A major triad. So we've got the 7th fret of the D string, 6th fret of the G string, and the 5th fret of the B string, like that. Now all the notes are as close together as possible, meaning this is called a close voiced triad. To get an open voiced triad, what we do is we take the middle note of our triad, which in this case is the 6th fret of the G string, and we move that up an octave. So that will be the 9th fret of the high E string, and we get this sound. Okay. Now this particular fingering is not the most convenient. I don't mind it, but it might be easier to move this 5th fret of the B string up to the 9th fret of the G string, and we get that shape. Now you don't exclusively have to do this for root position triads, you can do them with first and second inversion triads too. So if we take an A major first inversion triad and apply an open voicing to it, let's see what we can do. So let's get our A first inversion, 3rd, 5th root, so that's the 11th fret of the D string, the 9th fret of the G string, and the 10th fret of the B string. There we go. Now we can take the middle note, which is our 5th, at the 9th fret, and we can move it up an octave to the 12th fret of the high E string, and we get this shape. And we can also try it with a second inversion too. If we play the second inversion A major triad, 14th fret at the D, G and B strings, and we take the middle note, which is our root note, at the 14th fret of the G string, and move that up an octave to the 17th fret. We have 14 on the D, 14 on the B, and 17 on the E. We have that nice open voicing. So, to recap, we have that. We also have, and we've also got that. Now you can do this with minor chords as well. So let's try an A minor chord, for example. So we've got the 7th fret of the D string, the 5th fret of the G string, and the 5th fret of the B string. We're going to take our middle note, our 3rd, and move it up an octave to the 8th fret. Now we get this shape. Then we can try doing a first inversion of the A minor triad. We get this shape, which is the 10th fret of the D string, the 9th fret of the G string, and the 10th fret of the B string. And we can move our middle note, the 9th fret of the G string, up an octave to the 12th fret of the E string, and we get this. So that's a nice way of playing an A minor chord. And if we take our second inversion A minor triad, which looks like this, 14th fret of the D string, 14th fret of the G string, and 13th fret of the B string. And we take our 14th fret of the G string, that's the note in the middle of our triad, and then we move it up an octave to the 17th fret of the high E string. We get that. So, to recap, we have this shape, we also have this shape, and we also have this shape. So, there you have it. That's open triads. They sound really beautiful, so try them out for yourself. I'd suggest finding a song that you like and playing the chords of that song using open voicings to get some new and exciting sounds into your playing. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you thought in the comments. If you've got any video suggestions, let me know in the comments too. I'm always listening, and your comments guide the direction of my channel, so to speak. And I will see you in the next video.